showing Athens, Georgia, not Crown a little bit. Because when you say Athens, people always think Athens, Greece. Yeah, y'all know I ain't getting on no airplane. But anyway, Stacia's showing me around a little bit, and we just ate some infused Latin food, Asian Latin food infusion. I can't even get it out. It was so tasty. But now we're going to try some chocolate, special chocolate. It's called Dubai chocolate. So I told her I have a channel and I wanted to just show y'all and take y'all to try it. So that's where we're headed now. So go with me as we try Dubai chocolate here in Athens, Georgia. For those of you who do not know, Athens is known for the dogs. Go dogs. Woo woo. All right, so we're gonna go over there now. Let's go. Well, I was waiting on the light. You think we're gonna jaywalk? Oh no, we're not. Hold on.
After this truck.
Wait, we're trying to cross the street. So hold on, I'm gonna take y'all into place and let y'all see the outside. And again, it's called Dubai chocolate. Yeah. Y'all know I'm all about having experiences at this stage in my life. So Jeffrey is with us, but he went to get the car because we walked so far, and I already know I'm not gonna be able to walk back. Stacia's way younger, if you couldn't tell.
I don't want to walk back either.
And her legs move really good. So, but I'm all about the experience, and I always try to tell you guys to have different experiences, even if it's just trying a different food, different chocolates. I mean, yeah, I know we still about that healthy life, but I did pretty good well this morning, so I'm not having no dinner. Yeah, and I didn't do that bad at lunch, so I want to treat myself. This is something that I don't get that often. We're trying to cross the street. Hold on. But it's not working. We are trying to, we might have to just go.
Yeah.
You think? We gotta cross and pray we don't get hit. Let's go. Oh, now it just changed. Okay, let me show y'all. Walking. It just changed. Okay, so I'm gonna take, I mean, not restaurant, the chocolatier place. Stand by. They sell coffee too. You ever had their coffee?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so if you're ever in Athens, check out this place. I'm gonna show y'all in just a minute. And we use Google to get over here.
Yeah.
Google Maps. Yeah. So you could put your setting on walking if you didn't know that. And it was an 8-minute walk. Some man is screaming, so y'all know I'm about to take cover. Welcome to Athens. Anytime you're in the city. But Athens is pretty safe.
Yeah.
Pretty safe. All right, here we go, y'all. How about deep? Baladi? Girl, they making too much noise for me. Okay, here we go. It's called Baladi. Baladi coffee. Okay, so let's go in here and see what they got. All right, let's go. Let's go. Premium organic coffee. All right, it was a beautiful space. Look. Oh, it's beautiful in here. Oh, it's beautiful. Experiences that I want you guys to get out locally. So I'm not over in, what ethnicity would you say they are?
Here.
Maybe Arab, but I'm not going to that country. But I can come and try some of their stuff. You can too. Let me show y'all the menu on the coffees. So let's get closer. Espressos. I don't think I'm gonna have a coffee though. So let's look at the desserts. Flatbread.
Thank you.
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
Here's the Dubai chocolate everybody's talking about. Dubai chocolate brownie. I'm gonna try it on camera. Chocolate chip cookies, honey comb bread, cinnamon rolls, Biscoff bars. If you guys are trying Dubai chocolate, let me know. So we are gonna get some right now. All right, let's get our order and then we're gonna taste it live. Ma'am, can I get one of the Dubai chocolate brownies?
Yeah, of course.
What you want, babe? No, it's my treat. Take it home for later. And I think I'll get that chocolate crunch cake looks good, doesn't
Yes,
it?
it's delicious.
Oh Lord, let me get one of those too.
All right.
I want Jeffrey to try something. Get something, babe. They got tiramisu, Nutella cheesecake. You can pack it to go. I'm gonna just stand over here and taste this. Oh, I didn't know they had a small.
Small bar.
Small Dubai chocolate. Can we get 2 of the smalls? Small Dubai chocolate brownie. So they have a small and they have a larger one. It's right here. The small chocolate.
We only have one size of Dubai.
I know.
I think the thing that you're looking next to, that's the crunch cake.
No, we're looking right at it. It's $6.
She's saying a small?
It's $6.
So you want 2 Dubai chocolate
But I want the $6 ones. 2 of those. Come and look at it. So this is when you shopping at Walmart. No, it says small.
Like that one says Dubai and that one.
It's a small. So they figuring it out.
Yeah, sorry guys.
Oh, my battery is dying.
I was like, wait,
No, but it's fine.
So if I'm buying so much stuff, of course I want to save $1. So we got a small and a regular size. So I hope my battery don't die while we're trying to figure it out, y'all. We're gonna save our money today. So we'll take 2. Oh. I know I'm embarrassing her.
No. You're not. I don't care. I don't care.
Oh, Jeffrey, you gotta wait a minute. Sorry, y'all, but we about to get. I want to taste it with y'all really quick if my battery don't die.
How much?
Yeah, we're gonna see.
sorry, just one second. I think they are labeling this one. I'm going to give you guys like the smaller and like
Okay.
discount, but
That for us. We appreciate it.
yes.
Anytime we can save, we need to save.
Okay. Small chocolate brownie, normal chocolate brownie, and the crunch cake. Anything else?
So you need to take off one more?
So you want 2 small?
Yes. 2 smalls and a chocolate
Yeah.
cake.
Perfect. Okay.
Now,
Kim?
Kimberly. I could tap.
Yes, ma'am. You can tap.
Okay. So it ended up being $20. That's okay.
And then next we're gonna warm up that brownie for you guys.
Oh, they warm it up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and leave a little tip here. Since we oh no, we're not doing that. So she's gonna heat the brownie. This video is a little choppy, but y'all know how I have to do sometimes. Yeah, let me show y'all. Like Stacia is saying, you can have a whole experience here. So she and I will sit here. Can you call Jeffrey and tell him? Yeah. Thank you. Then we'll be right out. So you guys can just, y'all can just experience. Y'all know anywhere I go, it's gonna be some drama. Oh, I see him sitting right there. So Jeffrey's in the car, and we're gonna go out here and taste this. You don't have to heat up the cake, ma'am. Don't heat up the cake. Okay. Oh, he couldn't even hear you? Oh. We're in a terrible area. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, we gonna taste this though. Stand by, patience, people. When you're doing live video and content like this, you know it may not be perfect. They're probably ready for us to get out of here. Stacia will be good at content, y'all. Look at that smile. I'm trying to get her to do some content. She's thinking about it. Yeah, with that smile. You got personality too.
Thanks.
Oh Lord, I done created a monster. We done created a monster. It's taking a minute, y'all, but it's coming. I don't have my selfie stick either, so that's not helping. I usually try to bring it everywhere I go. Usually, if I know I'm a film, but I didn't know I was coming for Dubai chocolate today. But it's all the rage. So you seen it on TikTok?
Yeah, it's trending. It's been popular for a while.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never gotten to try it. So.
Okay. We'll make sure we get you a separate bag.
Thank you.
Oh, this is your first time trying it too. Oh, that's even better. Okay.
Yeah, we can try it together.
She's been to this coffee shop before, but this is her first time trying Dubai chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a little bag? So let me show y'all the cake. I got this for Jeffrey. We're not gonna eat that.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does. Some kind of crunch on top of it. So, but we're gonna try the. Oh, look at this bag, y'all. Yeah. Thank you. Can she get her own bag? Yeah, we're going separate. They trying to be stingy with the bags, y'all. No, she's nice. She's nice. Y'all know I'm from Detroit, so I'm gonna act crazy and don't have my selfie stick. But we're gonna taste it. How long it take to eat it up? Well, I know they waiting. Well, y'all just gotta wait, cause I'm not editing this, so I'm not editing. It is what it is. But I'll show y'all around. Hold on. Gift stuff on the wall. I guess you can buy that merchandise. Yeah, merch. Girl, she was meant for this, y'all. They got merch on the wall. So I'm guessing, you know what? Let me ask her what race or because it says halal, and I think that's it. I'm gonna ask her, is it Middle Eastern or something? I'm gonna ask her what it is. 'Cause I'm just curious. But anyway, like I was saying earlier, you don't have to leave the country to have little experiences. And again, Stacia's introducing this to me. I'm bringing it to y'all, and I'm sure you never heard of it before. Most of y'all haven't. What do they do on TikTok? Just go and eat it, or are they making it? Or
Well, usually, so they also have the chocolate bars.
I saw the bar.
And you break the bar in half.
Uh-huh.
And it's supposed to be this like aesthetic, satisfying.
Oh,
like, thing.
the bar is
But-
$10.
Yeah.
Okay, we didn't get the
This
bar.
is what the chocolate bar looks like. Oops.
They have the chocolate bar here, but it's $10, and we're not getting that today. Not to mention, y'all, we just came off vacation, so we are on a diet. Well, not diet, but you know, trying to get back on track. It's taking forever to heat it up, y'all.
That's what the bar.
Oh, let me show y'all. Hold on. This is the bar.
Yeah.
Oh, and on the inside it has
That's what's on
pistachio.
top of the brownie is the
Okay.
little green stuff inside.
So
is
you
on
can
top.
try the bar too. But we, like I said, we got the cake today. It's called Dubai chocolate brownie. I don't know what they doing, and they making it from scratch. They got all that stuff already pre-made. I'm only rushing because Jeff is in the car. And we're in a, you know, when you go to the city, you always have parking. Let me ask her what ethnicity this is. I was trying to wait. But it's a nice ambiance, guys. Oh, look like they're making it from scratch.
Like drizzle on it.
Yes. What ethnicity is this food? It's
Arabic.
Arabic, guys.
Yes.
It's Arabic. I'll take it right now. I'm going to try it on camera with my friends.
All right. And then here is the
Thank you so much. So we're just going to put the camera right here. And get started.
A few moments later.
My God, Jeff edited. So we got the Dubai chocolate, and I'm just gonna taste it right quick, and I want to Stacia to taste hers. Okay, so on top, oh yeah, she warmed it up. It's a brownie. Oh,
What do you think?
I love it. I love it, y'all. Let me show y'all.
I'm so happy.
So it's pistachio.
Glad you don't think it's like disgusting.
Look at that. Let's see what you think. Oh my God.
Interesting texture.
The texture is interesting. I need to ask her what that crunchy stuff is. That's good, isn't it?
That is really good.
Okay. So guys, I'm gonna get out of here because like I said, 10 out of 10. I don't know what this stuff is. Let me see, can she tell me what it is? Wow, all of a sudden it got crowded. One more bite.
That was really good.
Let me show you my cute bag. It's pistachio, I can taste it. So it's the bag. And we out of here, guys. Make sure you try it. Till next time, 10 out of 10. Thank you, Stacia, for helping me out today. Okay, hey guys. So I made it to the car with Jeffrey. We dropped my little friend off, Stacia. Stacia, again, shout out, girl, for the referral to the Dubai chocolate and hanging out with us today. We appreciate it. So you guys know I told you I had bought this one for Jeffrey, so he's gonna taste it on the camera for you. And that's the chocolate cake. Now it didn't call it Dubai chocolate, it just said chocolate cake. So let's see what that is, how it tastes. Let's see.
You want to put it on the side?
So that's what it looks like. Show like on the side too. Look at that, all that deliciousness.
Nice thickness about it.
It smells so rich, y'all. That ain't no cheap chocolate. For the price, though, it's not bad. That was $7, and the Dubai chocolate we had was $6. But y'all know what happened with that. So let's let Jeffrey taste it.
That crunchy from the other stuff.
Oh. Oh my goodness, is it that good? For real? Let me taste it. I gotta taste it, y'all. Put me some on the spoon. Oh my goodness. Hold on, y'all.
Oh, I'm having a,
Dang, it's like that?
having some kind of,
Hold on.
oh my goodness. It make my eyes water.
Oh my God. Let me get another piece of that.
Oh,
Child, this stuff is good. Let me get one more bite. Oh, look at that. The cake is smooth. The icing is smooth. Well, we just wanted to show y'all. Shout out Balidi. That's good, y'all. Well, we out. We just wanted to try the chocolate cake with y'all.
I can't even give a good description. I don't even know
Yeah, how would you describe it?
I don't even know what to say.
It was smooth.
Almost trying not to cuss, but it tastes good. It was really good.
It was really good.
I'm surprised. That's
The
wow.
quality of the chocolate is so
It's
smooth.
not.
That ain't cheap.
No, that's some good stuff right there, folks. Ooh, I'm gonna have to sit back and think about myself.
Oh my goodness. Well, that means he really liked it, people, for Jeffrey. Y'all know Jeffrey.
I'm kind of laid back. I mean,
So that means he really liked it. All right, well, we out of here. Again, treat yourself today to something special, a different experience, okay? You ain't got to go to Dubai. You ain't got to go all these different places.
Don't go
Something
there.
right in your right backyard
you ain't gonna
sometime.
make it back. Anyway.
All right, guys. Until next time. Bye.